the visitor center. Let's stop and check it out. We had high hopes for the trail town of West Newton. The summer sun was boiling up the humidity when we arrived. We followed the signs up a steep hill to a community pool in hopes of cool water and fun summer play. We found the pool empty of water with a closed sign on the gate. Next we rode to a park only to find the playground equipment had been removed. Then we went to a distillery to have a libation. The words "out of business" were painted on the windows. It felt as though every mom and pop store in this town was closed or out of business. We found lunch at a food truck by the old train station and cold iced coffee at the dollar store. Then we headed out of there. River, mature for his age, handled the disappointment better than the rest of the family. Back on the trail, he played with his toys in his trailer as we continued to spin our way east. Each new mile still unknown, each new mile holding a chance for something better than what we left behind. And there's all these things we thought it would be like it wasn't like. Am I getting soft? Is this really as hard as it's supposed to be?